Hello, friends. Welcome back to the Speak Fluent English channel. Today, we're going to learn the 4 present tenses in English. The present tenses are some of the most important grammar topics because we use them every day when we speak, write, read, and listen. By understanding these 4 tenses, you'll be able to describe daily routines, actions happening now, life experiences, and actions that started in the past and continue to the present. In this lesson, we'll learn each present tense with its structure, simple explanations, and easy examples. So, get ready, repeat after me, and let's begin.
Number 1. Present simple. The present simple is used for daily routines, habits, facts, and general truths. Structure: I, you, we, they, plus verb, V1. He, she, it, plus verb, plus S/ES. Let's practice. I make coffee every morning. You drive to work on time. He teaches mathematics. She visits her grandparents often. It snows in the winter. We live in New York. They read the newspaper every morning.
Number 2. Present continuous. The present continuous is used for actions happening right now or around the present time. Structure: subject plus am, is, are, plus verb ing. Let's practice. I am cooking dinner now. You are walking the dog. He is fixing the car. She is singing a song. It is hailing outside. We are discussing a project. They are learning Japanese. Number 3. Present perfect. The present perfect is used for actions that happened at an unspecified time in the past or have a connection to the present. Structure: subject plus have, has, plus past participle, V3. Let's practice. I have written a poem. You have broken a glass. He has flown to the United States. She has visited her grandparents. It has swum in the ocean. It has begun to snow. We have bought a new house. They have received a package. Number 4. Present perfect continuous. The present perfect continuous is used for actions that started in the past and are still continuing or have recently stopped with a visible result. Structure: subject plus have or has plus been plus verb ing. Let's practice. I have been learning guitar for 3 years. You have been waiting since noon. He has been writing a novel since 2015. She has been planting trees for hours. It has been snowing all night. We
We have been practicing yoga. They have been trying to learn English for months.
Excellent job! Today, you learned the 4 present tenses in English with easy explanations, simple structures, and practical examples. Thank you for watching this lesson from the Speak Fluent English channel. See you in the next lesson.